Okay, today we will be assembling our hamstringer. We've done all the prep work. I've shown it in another video in prep and assembly of the hamstringer. This one is just purely assembly for when your printer is fine and you don't need to file and do all sorts of other stuff. So let's start with this part. This is our slide. We put our piece of zip tie through that with the head pointing up. There we go. That's one. Now we put our short piece of elastic string through the other hole. So, pull that up, put the knot down in. I've made an aglet with a bit of sellotape at the end here, just to make it easier to put stuff through holes, because it doesn't want it if I don't do that. Pull this thing through, nice and tight. The dimensioning is that this needs to be up against the front here with a bit of pre-tension. Not too much, because then it'll all get very heavy, but just a bit. So we need to have our knot right here. Pull this through a bit further. I can tie this thing in a knot. Sorry if I'm doing stuff off camera, it's hard to assemble while looking at your phone screen. Let's see. This is probably a bit too much. One bit. This should be fine. So, cut the aglet off. We don't need it anymore. Oop. All right. Now, for the body, we have a dart head on this end. We have a dart head on this end. This one fits snugly. This one needs our little cap. Opening goes to towards the grip of your blaster, like so. Then we have our arm and our trigger. These two go over each other, so we put the trigger in first, and then the arm. Slide this in here, fit that like so. That's all the inside bits. Top of the shell goes on. Right, that looks nice. Now we take our slide and we slide that on like so. And that fits nicely. Now, this bit goes into the hammer. There's a little slot up there to fit that. So, and put the other dart head on here, so make sure it doesn't come back off. So, like so. Then we have our nail. It goes into the side. Make sure to actually put it through the hammer or it won't function very well. Grip goes over that. Covers up the nail so it doesn't fall out. Pin goes through the grip. Bloop. Don't hammer that. If you hammer it, it means there's too much force and you'll break your grip. Tried that, not funny. Now we need to put the barrel on. And we have a bit of slop here which needs to be taken out. A bit more. Looks nice. Slide smoothly. Then push the trigger forward to see this. Hoop, hoop. Does it fit? It stays in like this, and if you push it forward, then it'll come out. There's a bit of friction here and there a bit. Might need a tiny bit of filing over here. Good thing I have a file handy. Oh, sorry, I'll do it on camera. Right. Oop. Oh, lots better. Much better. This guy goes on. a bit of a flip to flip it out. Slides off easily. Clicks like this. Freely like that. Look. That functions. And now we put this thing through. To get this tied off like this, when it's already cut, that's a hassle. So we're gonna take the barrel off again and just put it next to it. So the distance between the two is shorter. I'll even put it like this. And you can easily tie a knot in here. I say easily, tying a knot in a short piece of stretchy string is never actually easy, but it's gone from impossible to doable. Right, now we can just whoop. This goes over there, the other side as well. Pull it through a bit. Stuff the knot into the hole specifically for the knot. Come on, get in there. Boom. All right, put some darts in. Rotate them the right direction. So, nice, you can see where the darts are outside of the frame. Yeah, that didn't catch. So if it doesn't catch, pull it out. Yep, and you just, like so. Okay, got one dart. And there we go. Enjoy it.